Do you have any idea? The 10 best foods to boost brain power and improve memory. Your brain is kind of a big deal. Your mind is continually at work. It regulates thousands of complex functions. As the control center of your body, it's in charge of keeping your heart beating and lungs breathing and allowing you to move, feel, and think. Because the brain is such an energy-intensive organ, it uses around 20% of the body's calories. We all lead hectic lives. Our brain gets busy too. That's why it's a good idea to keep your mind in peak working condition. Have you ever wondered whether the food you consume every day is related to your brain's functions? Well, it turns out that food affects your mental health more than you know. While most of us thought that food only affects the physical aspects of the body, scientists have discovered that the food we eat affects our brains. Whether you want your brain to function actively during a vital exam or want to stay sharp and focused while you work, pay close attention to what you eat can pay off in your favor. The foods we eat have a significant role in the structure and health of our brains, and a brain-boosting diet can support both short and long-term function. From improving specific mental tasks such as memory and concentration to promoting overall brain structure, a healthy diet can increase your odds of maintaining a healthy brain. While we may not be able to control the onset of brain diseases and disorders, incorporating brain-friendly foods into our diets is something we can consciously do to keep our brains in peak working conditions. Certain foods are particularly rich in healthful components like omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, and antioxidants known to support brain health. In this video, we are going to know the foods that can boost your brain's function. So let's jump into the list. Number 1. Avocados. From toast to smoothies, avocados are finding their way into all kinds of recipes lately, and with good reason. Avocados are bursting with nutrition that makes them great for heart and brain health. A diet rich with helpful unsaturated fat supports the brain and combats cognitive decline. Avocados are a fruit packed with good-for-you monounsaturated fats that promote healthy blood flow and help information-carrying nerves and mind. They have several of the brain's most valued nutrients, including folate, vitamin C, vitamin E, and copper. Villanova University notes that avocados improve blood supply and oxygenation to your brain. Just a quarter of an avocado per day can produce measurable benefits. A study from 2012 found that monounsaturated fatty acids help protect glial cells in the brain called astrocytes, which provide support to the information-carrying nerves. In an animal study, avocado and soybean fats prevented oxidation and protected against nerve damage after the animals were exposed to low oxygen conditions. According to Kansas State University, healthy unsaturated fats in avocados help keep your brain cell membranes flexible. A study conducted by Tufts University with 40 healthy adults over the age of 50 found that people who ate one fresh avocado per day for 6 months experienced significant improvement in their problem-solving skills and working memory. Number 2. Blueberries. Any kind of berry is a healthy choice, but blueberries, in particular, are full of brain-healthy flavonoids. These little guys pack a serious nutritional punch. Blueberries come with various health benefits while tasting good, and it is also rich in antioxidants. Blueberries are the king of antioxidant foods, as they are believed to have one of the highest antioxidant levels of all common fruits and vegetables. A collection of flavonoids called anthocyanidins have been getting closer attention because of their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Anthocyanidins are abundant in berries and give these foods their bright blue, red, and purple colors. Animal studies found that the antioxidants in blueberries may affect your brain's areas that are essential for intelligence. A study with healthy older adults for 12 weeks showed the result that adults who consumed concentrated blueberry juice every day had a significant increase in brain activity, blood flow, and even memory compared to the placebo group after just a few weeks. The antioxidants, particularly the flavonoids in blueberries, have been shown to promote these effects. Research shows that this readily available fruit may help protect the brain from the damage caused by free radicals and may reduce the effects of age-related conditions such as Alzheimer's disease or dementia. Number 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish are the ultimate brain food. This type of fish includes salmon, trout, and sardines, which are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Essential fatty acids cannot be made by the body, which means they must be obtained through food. Omega-3 fatty acids are polyunsaturated fats responsible for most of the brain and mental health benefits of fish oil. Fish oil primarily consists of two types of omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. The omega-3 fatty acids EPA and DHA are critical for healthy brain function and development throughout all stages of life. EPA and DHA seem to have essential roles in the developing baby's brain. Many studies have correlated pregnant women's fish intake or fish oil use with higher scores for their children on intelligence and brain function tests in early childhood. These fatty acids are abundant in the cell membranes of brain cells, preserving cell membrane health and facilitating communication between brain cells. A study with over 450 older adults for 24 weeks found that those taking DHA performed better on memory and learning tests. Another study from 2017 showed that people with high levels of omega-3 fatty acids had increased blood flow in the brain. Number 4. Dark chocolate. You might be surprised to find it on the list, but it's true. Dark chocolate can be healthy and can be beneficial for your brain too. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder are packed with a few brain-boosting compounds, including flavonoids, which are a group of antioxidant plant compounds, caffeine, and antioxidants. The flavonoids in chocolate gather in the areas of the brain that deal with learning and memory. Researchers do say that these compounds may enhance memory and help slow down age-related mental decline. A study including over 900 people shows that those who ate chocolate more frequently performed better in a series of mental tasks, including some involving memory, than those who rarely ate it. It is because of the flavonoids encourage neuron and blood vessel growth in parts of the brain involved in memory and learning. Another study from 2018 concluded that eating dark chocolate can improve brain plasticity, crucial for learning. Antioxidants are especially important for brain health, as the brain is highly susceptible to oxidative stress, which contributes to age-related cognitive decline and brain diseases. One study found that participants who ate chocolate experienced increased positive feelings compared to participants who ate crackers. So, it is no surprise that you reach for chocolates when you feel off. Number 5. Nuts. Nuts are high in trail mix or alone as a snack. Eating more nuts can be useful for the brain, as these foods contain omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Walnuts, almonds, and hazelnuts are perfect for the brain and nervous system. A study from 2014 found that higher overall nut intake was linked to better brain function in older age and can improve cognition and even help prevent neurodegenerative diseases. Walnuts have a significantly high DHA concentration, which is the key to boosting your brain's performance and preventing age-related cognitive decline. As a person ages, their mind may be exposed to this form of oxidative stress, and vitamin E shields cell membranes from this free radical damage, helping slow mental decline. Almonds and hazelnuts are two of the most concentrated sources of vitamin E available. A 2014 review found that vitamin E may also contribute to improved cognition and reduced risk of Alzheimer's disease. Number 6. Whole grains. Like everything else in your body, the brain cannot work without energy. The ability to concentrate and focus comes from an adequate, steady supply of energy in the form of glucose in our blood to the brain. It's best to achieve this by choosing whole grains with a low GI, which release glucose slowly into the bloodstream, keeping our minds alert throughout the day. Whole grains are rich in complex carbohydrates, fiber, and some omega-3 fatty acids that shield the heart and brain. The fiber and vitamin E present in whole grain help lower the risk of cognitive impairment, leading to Alzheimer's disease. Whole grain foods include brown rice, oatmeal, barley, etc. Number 7. Coffee. Coffee is a well-known concentration aid, and many of us drink it as the first thing in the morning to stay awake and encourage focus. Coffee is an incredibly healthy beverage. It contains hundreds of bioactive compounds that contribute to its potent health benefits. Two main components in coffee, caffeine and antioxidants, help your brain. Caffeine affects the central nervous system in several ways. It blocks a substance in the brain called adenosine, making a person feel more alert. Beyond boosting alertness, a study from 2018 suggests that caffeine can also increase the brain's capacity for processing information. Some studies have associated regular, moderate coffee consumption up to a 65% lower risk of Alzheimer's disease. Another large study reported a 29% lower risk of Parkinson's disease in people who drank 3 cups of coffee per day. Number 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is a type of spice that has fantastic health benefits. Turmeric has been used in various Ayurvedic medicines for centuries. Moreover, it has also been known for its exceptional healing properties. This deep yellow spice is a critical ingredient in curry powder and has many benefits for the brain. It contains a chemical compound known as curcumin. The active ingredient in turmeric has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning it can directly enter the brain and benefit the cells there. Research has shown that inflammation is the universal brain destructor, and curcumin is one of the most potent and naturally occurring anti-inflammatory agents ever identified. A study published in the American Journal of Gastric Psychiatry showed that those who took curcumin experienced significant improvement in their memory, mood, and attention span. Curcumin boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a type of growth hormone that helps brain cells grow. Number 9. Broccoli. The miniature tree-resembling vegetable broccoli is packed with powerful plant compounds, including antioxidants. As well as being a low-calorie source of dietary fiber, broccoli can be useful for the brain. It's also very rich in vitamin K, delivering more than 100% of the recommended daily intake in a 1-cup serving. This fat-soluble vitamin is essential for forming sphingolipids, a type of fat densely packed into brain cells. Many studies in older adults have linked a higher vitamin K intake to better memory. Another study with over 900 older adults revealed that 1 serving per day of dark green vegetables such as broccoli may help resist mental decline associated with aging. Broccoli is rich in compounds called glucosinolates. When the body breaks these down, they produce isothiocyanates. Isothiocyanates can reduce oxidative stress and lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Sulforaphane is another potent bioactive compound present in broccoli with the potential to support brain function after an event of reduced oxygenation to the brain. Number 10. Eggs. Enjoyed by many for breakfast, eggs can be useful for brain food. Eggs are a good source of several nutrients tied to the brain health, including vitamins B6 and B12, folate, choline, and vitamin D. A study from the University of California revealed that vitamin D deficiency is the main reason why the brain loses its cognitive abilities. Vitamin D helps to improve the brain's cognitive skills. It is one of the essential vitamins to maintain focus and memory. Choline is another essential micronutrient that your body uses to create acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and memory. 2 studies found that higher intakes of choline were linked to better memory and mental function. Studies suggest that eggs can make you happy because they contain B12 folate, a compound known to produce hormones that make you happy. Recent research suggests that vitamin B6, B12, and folic acid, which are filled in eggs, can prevent brain shrinkage and delay cognitive decline. The foods listed in this video can help protect your brain from damage and support memory and brain development. You can improve your brain health and boost your alertness, mind, and mood by strategically including these foods in your diet. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And for more videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe.